Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Punisher costume for women available in the market right now. If you're a fan of the Punisher or just looking for a standout costume, you've come to the right place. This Punisher costume for women is crafted with meticulous detail, capturing the essence of the iconic character from head to toe. It's designed not only for authenticity but also for comfort and durability, making it suitable for various occasions from cosplay events to themed parties. Let's talk about the key features. The costume features a sleek and stylish design that stays true to the Punisher's intimidating presence. Made from high-quality materials, it ensures both flexibility and resilience, perfect for long hours of wear. It's crucial that a costume fits well and feels comfortable. This product excels in both aspects, providing a snug fit without compromising on mobility. Whether you're navigating crowds or striking poses for photos, this costume allows you to move freely with confidence. Every detail matters in cosplay, and this costume doesn't disappoint. From the iconic skull emblem to the tactical-inspired accessories, each component is thoughtfully designed to replicate the Punisher's distinctive appearance. Beyond Halloween, this costume is versatile enough for comic conventions, fan meetups, and even creative photo shoots. Its adaptability ensures that you can embody the Punisher's spirit in various settings with ease. Customers rave about its quality and authenticity, noting its value for money and how it stands out among other options on the market. The positive feedback underscores its popularity and reliability. In conclusion, if you're looking to transform into the Punisher with style and authenticity, this costume is your best bet. It combines premium craftsmanship with practicality, ensuring you look and feel like the formidable vigilante himself. Don't settle for less when it comes to your cosplay adventures. Choose the best Punisher costume for women available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.